Welcome back, guys. So this time we're going to do angle bisectors, which are really similar to what you've just been doing with segment bisectors. Only now we're just dealing with angles. So if a point is on a bisector of an angle, then the point is equidistant from both sides of the angle. So pretty much it's saying if I have an angle bisector, I could say in this case that BD, that little line, is the same measurement as DC. These two guys. I can also go backwards, that if I know that BD and CD are equal to each other and all that other jazz, I can just say that it is an angle bisector, so then AD is bisects. What is it? Angle BAC. So when I know that my two little angles are equal to each other. Okay. So let's just go into some math. Again, assuming that I already know this is an angle bisector, I would just then take the two sides, 9x minus 5 equals 4x plus 30. Subtract 4x. Right. 5x minus 5 is equal to 30. Add 5. 5x equals 35. And divide by 5. X equals 7. Works the same way if it's the two little bitty angles. So 5x minus 11 is equal to 8x minus 41. Subtract 5x. Add 41 over. So in this case, 3x equals 31 because there's a positive and a negative, so we have to subtract that. And just kidding, didn't equal 31, equals 30. Hello. 1 minus 1 is 0. And divide both by 3. X equals 10. So that's always the first step, solve for x. After we solve for x, we then sometimes have to plug x back in. And that's exactly what we're going to do in number 3. First step is solving for x, though. So what was that? 13x minus 4 is equal to 8x plus 11. Okay, subtract our 8x. So 5x minus 4 is equal to 11. You can see that, there we go. Add 4. 5x is equal to 15. When you divide both sides by 5, x will equal 3. And I know I've written all over it, but it really wants us to find AD. There's AD. So instead of 13x, it's 13 times 3 minus 4. So 13 times 3 is 39, minus 4 should get me 35. That's my final answer. Again, we'll do it one more time, this time with angles, but it doesn't matter. Our first step is always to set those two guys equal to each other. Step 1, move your smaller variable, so 3x will get subtracted. Add 32 to both sides. So 5x equals 35. Divide both by 5. X equals 7. Now they want us to find, I wrote a little bit again, angle XWZ. So X to W to Z. I always just trace. And that's the 8x. So instead of 8x, it's 8 times 7, and then minus 32. like everything we've been doing, it's just PEMDAS. 8 times 7 is 56. We still have minus 32. So we get 24 for the angle measurement. Again, only the last two for you guys to practice. Step 1, set the items equal to each other. Step 2, just make sure you plug x into the one they want you to solve for. Go ahead and give this to a try, and we'll talk about this next class.